Okay, so it's not what you wear, it's how you work what you wear. So I'm going to show you what I have on today. This dress, $19.99 at Marshall's. Just a plain old cotton dress. I can wear this around the house. Pretty frumpy, but hey, what if I get a phone call? I've got to meet a client right now, and I don't have a whole lot of time to get dressed up and get changed. This is how I'm going to take this frumpy little dress to fabulous. First, I'm going to add a scarf. Any scarf is fine. I like this one because it's not very bulky. It's a little thin, and it's got this fringe, which is absolutely cool. Actually, a friend of mine gave me this scarf, so I don't actually have a price for it. But trust me, you can get these scarves just about anywhere. And so you just wrap it around a couple times, let the fringe hang loose in the front. Then I'm going to add a little jewelry. So I've got a couple of Chloe and Isabel bracelets. You see that? Chloe and Isabel makes some of the most awesome jewelry. They all have a lifetime guarantee. I have very small wrists, and this is the first company that I've found that makes bangles and bracelets that don't just fall completely off of my wrist. So I totally love Chloe and Isabel. This is also Chloe and Isabel. You can see that. It has a little bird on it and a little jade bead on the other side. Totally cute. Just a little bit on your wrist, not a whole lot, but if you're in a pinch and you're in a hurry, this is a great way to step it up a bit. Next, we want to take some earrings. This is the fastest way to dress up your face from the neck up. So get some really big earrings with a little glitter, little shimmer in it. If you're trying, you know, especially if you don't have a lot of time to do makeup or something like that, earrings go a long, long, long way. So I'm just going to put these Chloe and Isabel earrings in as well. You can actually find all of this jewelry from Chloe and Isabel at chloeandisabel.com/boutique/stylesoldier. I actually sell Chloe and Isabel jewelry. Now, where are you going to go without shoes? Right now, as you can see, I was just wearing some flip-flops around the house. Not very cute, especially to meet a client. So, I'm going to run over here and I'm going to put on these cute little booties. These are Stuart Weitzman, 50% off right now. Totally awesome heel. I don't care what you put on. When you put these on, you look polished and finished. And a lot of times people don't want to spend a lot of money on shoes, but I'm telling you, if you go ahead and if you're going to make a splurge in the shoe department, because a good shoe really completes your outfit. And there you have it. From frumpy to fabulous in like 5 minutes.